here is step-by-step guide how to change your username of your Telegram account. So first of all, open up your Telegram account, and after that tap on Settings gear at the bottom right corner, and after that find here Edit button at the very top. Tap on it, and once you're here you can find midway down username and type in here whatever you want. And after that, if your username is available, you can click on Done button. And after that, your username will be able to change. I don't wanna change it, and I click on Cancel. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about Telegram.